This is Chad calling, just letting a video of the water heater in question. As you see, I do have the pilot lit, and I would have thought that hot water trigger, well, usually is by the change in pressure. And this is what I'm using this valve, because actually the valves right now, you'll see that they actually dropped the pressure. And it should be kicking on, but you'll see that it is not, like you had said before. I'm wondering if there isn't something wrong with the pressure sensors. I'm trying to remember when the last time we used the baptismal, if the pressure change that we had put those regulators on, if we've used it since then. I can't say I know for sure or remember when we reduce the pressure of water coming inside the building, but that pressure change should have kicked it on. That's usually how it does it, but I do remember back in the day the pressure was closer to 75 to 100 and not at the 50 it is right now. I don't know if that would cause it. One other thing to note is that the boiler area water is completely turned off. I don't know if you did it or somebody else did it, but normally you can hear water gushing and there's nothing. After you put the water up, you should be hearing a hissing sound. This is the hot water valve here, and that's usually what really triggers the hot water heater. In the past, I've always used that, but there's no water coming through it. So I don't know what's going on with the water here on this, but those are the two issues I see, and I'll shut the pilot back off on that hot water heater, but I am sort of puzzled why the pressure changed and kick it on like it normally did. Sorry I couldn't be of more help.